Have you ever wondered what it looks like when someone pretends to be crazy? Is it easy to spot or difficult to tell? Join us as we uncover the truth behind this intriguing and often misunderstood topic. A horrific crime on Halloween night in 2011 shook the quiet community of Manteca, California. Dawson McGee, just 16 years old at the time, brutally murdered his own mother, Katie McGee, inside their own family home. Following his conviction for second-degree murder in December of that year, Dawson was sentenced to 16 years to life in prison. The shocking crime and its aftermath left the community in mourning, struggling to comprehend how such a tragedy could occur. However, what's even more disturbing is how he tried to evade responsibility by pretending to be insane. Despite his best efforts to fake signs of mental illness when arrested, footage was able to catch him out. This shocking case highlights the lengths some will go to avoid facing the consequences of their actions. The details of the murder of Katie McGee, who was killed 15 months ago, were revealed through testimony from the coroner and other sources, as no witnesses were present at the time of the attack. The evidence presented in court indicated that Katie had struggled when she was attacked just inside the doorway of her bedroom, with many of her wounds being defensive in nature. In her hand, she had keys, suggesting she was trying to leave. Dawson, her youngest son and a University of the Pacific graduate, was arrested by Manteca police wearing a black leather jacket with bloodstains matching his mother's DNA. The officer's voice was stern when he questioned Dawson McGee, asking him about the gruesome crime that had occurred in his family home. McGee's responses were evasive and vague, claiming that he was unaware of what had happened to his own mother. But as the interrogation continued, McGee's demeanor shifted as if he were performing a twisted act. He began stuttering and stammering, feigning signs of mental instability. However, amidst his act, McGee managed to request for legal representation, a tactic commonly used by those who hope to manipulate the legal system in their favor. It's a sad and misguided notion that insanity could absolve them of their heinous crime, a belief that has proven time and time again to be a fallacy. During the trial of Dawson McGee, the issue of his sanity was raised, with his public defender arguing insanity as part of the defense. Despite claims of mental health issues, the jury found Gee to be sane. The sentencing hearing was described as bizarre by the defense lawyer due to the articulate and creative family members who spoke about the crime and its aftermath. Despite the possibility of an appeal, the lawyer acknowledged that it was unlikely McGee would ever be released from state prison given the nature of the crime. Dawson McGee's gruesome and senseless act of violence sent shockwaves throughout the community. Living with his mother, Caitlin McGee, he committed a heinous crime, stabbing her 10 times in the neck, chest, and abdomen in their California home. McGee went to great lengths to conceal the killing from the rest of the family and acted uncharacteristically cheerful and talkative for a day before his sister discovered the body. He took his sister to a fast food restaurant during this time. When questioned by the authorities, McGee's defense claimed that he was suffering from delusions and hallucinations. However, the jury found him legally sane and he was sentenced to 15 years to life imprisonment. Dawson's mother's blood was found on his jacket, and there was no evidence of a break-in sealing his fate. Dawson McGee's actions were monstrous and caused great harm to his family and community. He was rightfully sentenced to prison for his crime. That about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, then please consider pressing the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Check out some of our other videos while you're at it, and we'll see you again next time.